welcome back to the channel today. My bad. Hold on, let's redo this. Welcome back to the channel today. I'm gonna be doing a few installs on the SRT-4. We have the upper motor mount here, and we also have the OEM Dodge TPS sensor that I'm gonna be installing. I've been waiting on these parts for a little bit, and this is what's been holding me up on working on the SRT-4, so now I can bring content for you guys and get some more SRT videos out. I've never changed the TPS sensor, and I've never changed this top mount before, even when I had my last one, so this is all new for me. I'm gonna give it a shot. So for those who don't know, the TPS sensor is this black sensor right here. I have to take off this so I can comfortably work on that. So gonna put you guys on a time lapse. So every time I film, I forget to tell you guys that you guys need to take out the battery. I forget this shit every time, but definitely take off your battery when you're working with sensors and wiring, just so you don't shock yourself, and just so when you put the new sensor back in, you do not have, your computer can reset. So battery is disconnected. To be honest, I'm still trying to fully figure out how to take this off, or if I can take the sensor off. I just need to get the clip off so I can unbolt the sensor and then put a new one in. So I'm gonna figure that out right now. When I figure it out, I'll come back. So I got this up. This is a bitch. I'm not gonna lie. This OEM shit that they got here definitely gotta go. This won't be here for long. This is just a hassle. It's in the way. Definitely don't recommend keeping that. As you guys can see now, I'm having a problem with getting it off because I think it's stripped. So this is exactly why you be careful on what you're doing when you're purchasing a car. People don't take care of that shit. As you can see, we got 2 strip bolts inside the TPS sensor. Don't have an idea how I'm gonna get that out, but gonna still have to figure that out and go get new bolts for the TPS sensor. So just wanted to keep you guys updated. Get the old mount out. As you guys can see from here, it has holes. It was cracked. No good. So good thing we got that fixed. New one's going in, as you guys can see. I'm going to honestly pause right here and go get some sandpaper because I want to sand down these bolts. They're really rusty. So that's something that I'm going to do. And you guys already know this is still stripped, so have to get that out as well. We come to Harbor Freight. We find the bolt extractor, but the sad part is that you need a drill for it, and the drill we got is way too, like the bottom battery piece is way too big. So I don't know what to do. Damien said this is the only one. If y'all wondering who Damien is a dude in Iowa 1 who work here. And I'm only telling y'all this because I'm stressed out and I don't know what to do at this point. I'm actually lost for words. So I might have to buy another drill, which I'm not trying to buy, but we might have to do it just to get the bolt out. So if you own a car and you're planning on working on your car, just know you're gonna run into shit like this, and it's gonna make you wanna just blow it all up. I just wanna let y'all know I'm still confused. Nothing's changed. What I did do is I did buy 3 sets of gloves, and I did buy like mad fucking screwdriver bits and little start bits so I can try to get the bolt out. I'm hoping if I place a bigger size on the bolt that I can power through both of them and just get the bolt off. But we're gonna see. I'll let you guys know how this is going. It's been a crazy day. I fought with the airbox for like 35 minutes. They had 5 different size screws on the airbox. Every screw, I had an 8mm, I had a 10mm, I had a 14mm. I'm like, this shit is wild out here.